Can you see what's in the pot, family? Cow foot. Yes, cow foot. This recipe remind me of those five-star restaurant down in Jamaica. The only difference with this is the homemade version, and I must telling you guys, this is a 10 out of 10. So continue watching the video. Remember to hit the like, subscribe, and stay tuned.
Promised you my time. Exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusing? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusing? Your emotions running wild. If you don't call.
Here, family, I have my organic brown rice, with some kuno. It's Quino. I can hardly pronounce that word, but you know what I'm talking. I already boiled the peas from last night, and I already add the coconut milk to the pot, and also my thyme and scallion, otherwise known as also green onion, my garlic powder, and just a tad bit of salt, and I'll be getting my rice and peas going here.
I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started, instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out, let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie, I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I can see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future.
Here, family, I'll be making a quick green salad here. You see me looking up there? I was watching Hallmark earlier. I'm changing the channel. So here I have my lettuce. I have some red onion and cabbage, and I'm just making a quick salad to go with my Sunday dinner. So stick around, family. I appreciate you all for hanging with your girl. And again, pause the video, like the video, comment and subscribe.
For making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be Said you needed space. Said you needed more time to think. So you went away. But you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door. Even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50, 11 days, 50, 11 days, 50, 11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave. Now you're back for more.
Family, I'm going in first with my buttered bean. Also that Maggi season up. They have those also in the big jar, but I just pick up these. I think I pick up about 6 small package of that Maggi seasoning, and I always use like one package in 2 different dishes. So can you see in the pot? Can you see what's going on there? Look, yummy, 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 delicious. Continue watching, family.
Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday, your favorite position. Do we still have chemistry? Since you've been gone away so. I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun.
Look at this rice and peas, family. It smells so good. That coconut milk in that rice, it's bursting with so much goodness and flavor. I'm telling you, you guys, if you don't cook with coconut milk in your rice and peas, you're missing something. Look at this delicious food. I plated it up. Oh my goodness. That cow food, that cow food, that rice and peas, and that vegetable. Look at my Sunday dinner. So tasty and delicious. If you were here, family, I would surely fix you a plate.
Like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life is come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart is no use.
Yes, family, I have a quick grocery haul here. I just went to Walmart and just pick up a few items that I was running low on. I have my Gain laundry detergent. I have some Clorox bleach here. Also my Blue Bonnet unsalted butter. Here I pick up 2 packages of the Jamaican spicy beef patties. they hold 2 in each boxes. Also I have here some mixed vegetable. I'll be using that in one of my weekly dishes. Here pick up some mozzarella stick. My son dearly loved those. Also some whipped cream cheese, ketchup, and some hash brown. Here it's been a while I haven't bought any of those hash browns. Also I pick up some kiwi strawberry Arizona juice, and also a big bottle of apple juice. And here is some pork sausage. Those are quick and easy when you're doing a quick breakfast. Milk, that is a condensed milk. And also I have thinking maybe about 10 cans of sardine here. So thanks again for watching the video. I appreciate you all for sticking with your girl, and I see you in the next video.